Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by capturing clean audio. Use a good microphone and position it about 0.5 to 1 meter from the speaker. Once set, open your chosen speech-to-text tool and authenticate with API keys or local model files. Make sure your recording format is 16-bit mono at 16K HC or higher for reliable recognition. Start a short test phrase to confirm background noise levels and input gain. If levels clip, reduce gain. If too low, increase it until voice peaks sit in the mid-range. Once audio input is validated, configure the recognizer. Pick the correct language and accent model so the engine matches your speaker. Then choose real-time streaming or batch transcription based on latency needs. Make sure punctuation and capitalization options are enabled if you want readable text. If your content uses jargon or names, upload a custom vocabulary or enable keyword boosting for higher recall. Also turn on noise suppression and voice activity detection so the system ignores. You finish by running the full transcription and reviewing the output for timing and speaker separation. Use timestamps and speaker labels to align text with audio. After that, apply post-processing, normalize punctuation, fix casing, and remove filler words for readability. Export in the format you need and archive both audio and text. If accuracy is low, re-record problematic segments, refine your custom vocabulary, or change mic placement to reduce noise. Those quick fixes usually recover most of the missing words.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.